Back to another video. Today we got a Lowe's weekly ad. It's the Lowe's Pro Services ad. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, we got a pro pick of the week. So if we can click on it. Okay. Pro pick of the week is a Hitachi 16 gauge 2.5 finishing pneumatic nailer for $99. Hitachi is like that's the way they started the nailers. That's how they got famous. They used to make some awesome nailers. Well, they still do, but you know, that's what they were making before, and that's how they became famous. This is a tool channel, so I'm just going to go over the tools just to let you guys know. Let's see here. If you need a fire extinguisher for the shop, or for the not for the vehicle, but for the shop. First Alert heavy duty fire extinguisher, $39.97. And just to let you guys know, if you guys are going to buy a vehicle extinguisher, make sure it does say for car or boat or whatever you're going to use it for, because there's different ones. It has to do with the type of fire and if there's oils or whatnot, you know, if it's a dry fire. Okay, let's see here. Got some paints and totes storage there. Alright, to the tools. We got a battery here. It's a Bosch 18 volt lithium 4 amp hour battery. Power tool battery for $99. And then we got a Bosch 15 amp 7 1/4 corded circular saw with soft case, $99. We got a reciprocating saw 12 amp variable speed corded, $99. We got the Bosch 2 tool 18 volt lithium cordless combo kit with soft case. It's not a bad deal at all. $149, so it's a great deal there. I do believe it's not a brushless. I could be wrong. Let's see more info. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's brushless, so this is a brush model. Still, it's not bad for $149. Oh, I skipped one. And then you got 18 volt Bosch 1/2 inch brushless cordless hammer drill with soft case. And this is, of course, this is a brushless because it says brushless. This is the Bosch 65 feet 360 horizontal cross line laser level, $199. Right, let's see this deal here. We got the DeWalt 5 tool lithium or 20 volt max J lithium cordless combo kit with soft case for $399. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 tools basically. That's not really a tool. It's not a bad deal. I mean, it's an okay deal. It's not too bad. And it's not a brushless, by the way. This is a brushed kit. Still made in the USA with global materials. So I gotta get some blades. I still haven't. I know I've been saying it for the long time. You know, actually, I believe Home Depot had some Milwaukee ones for $14.97, but they were like a 9 or 10 piece or something like that. This is a 16 piece, so this is a lot more. It's not bad either. It's $19.98 for a 16 piece. That's a good deal. Usually these run about $24. So that's a great deal there for that if you guys need that. But I don't need, those that many. I just need maybe about six or so. So I'm just a DIY. Irwin, 100 feet, straight line, speed line, shock reel with permanent red shock. 598 or 598. You get the high touch 7,200 count, 1 1/4 pneumatic roofing nails for $27.97. You got the high touch or Hitachi 15 degree 1 3/4 coil roofing pneumatic nailer for $269. You got the DeWalt 1 1 point. I can't talk today. It's just the weekend, I just got off work right now and 1.1 horsepower, 4-gallon, 125 psi portable electric air compressor for $299. Yeah, it's not battery operated. There are some that are battery operated. Just I don't know if you guys knew that. All right. Well, that's it for today. It's a short video. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I got more videos coming up. I will be doing some more tool reviews. Check out my tool review Tuesday, and usually I'll do a shop review or a shop video on Fridays. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.